Hey, this is Clayton with Everything Ponds, and welcome to another video. This one is about large liners, how they're packaged, and how they show up at your job site. So this one right here is a 30 mil Premium RPE, and it is 165 feet by 115 feet. And on the side here, we always draw the dimensions so you can see it, and then there's arrows about which way it unrolls. So this one actually unrolls 165 feet. And then at that point, you pull it across the 115-foot width. So the liners are packaged in a roll around a cardboard tube. So you can basically move this with any piece of heavy equipment. You can put a spreader bar through the middle, maybe some chains, and lift the roll that way. So you can lift it with a tractor, a forklift, some kind of excavator, something like that. So another way you can lift it is just with a regular forklift if it's still on the pallet as well. All right, so some features on the liner. So it is strapped right here to kind of keep it from unrolling during transit. You can cut these when you get it. This is a webbing that is actually rolled in with the liner. And what is this for? This is basically to help unroll it. When you pull on this, it will help unroll the liner. You can actually hook this up to equipment if you like to help you unroll it. So you can either position and unroll straight down the middle of the pond and then pull each direction. That's a little easier if it's a large liner, because then you're only pulling half the liner at a time. Or if it's a little smaller, or you have lots of laborers to help you, you can go down the edge and then pull it across the width. And once it's in place, you can use all the people to kind of tug it around, get it into position, get it into the anchor trench. And really, you can have a liner like this installed in really just a couple hours. It's not a huge deal as long as you have the people to help. So the way these are packaged is they're rolled, and you unroll them, and then it's accordion stacked. So what that means is you can grab the edge of the liner and pull it, and you can pull it out across the width. If you have the regular Premium RPE in the 24, the 30, or the 40 mil, basically it's the same top or bottom. If you have the laminated version, it's laminated on one side. That is a shiny side. That goes up towards the sun. Just a thought while you're doing it, make sure when you're pulling it that you pull it the right way so that the shiny side is up. If you have a very large pond, like in the case of this project that we're on right now, we actually have 13 or so of these. And these are being unrolled one at a time and then heat welded on site for a total of 220,000 square feet. But how big can we make in one piece? Usually up to about 60,000 square feet. If you're on the thinner material, sometimes a little more. Call us if you want to talk about it. If you actually have a liner that size, it's really good to call us and we can help answer any questions or actually help design a custom liner to fit your pond. So liners up to 150 pounds can be shipped in a box UPS. Those are smaller liners, usually up to about 35 by 35 or so. After 150 pounds, it has to ship freight. And at that point, it comes like this, rolled on a tube on a pallet. And the larger ones will have a strap to help unroll. The smaller ones won't have that. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. We'd love to talk to you. Thanks.